In October 2022, an Su-34 fighter jet crashed into a residential building in the Russian city of Yeysk. 15 people were killed, including 3 children. The Russian Defense Ministry suggested that a malfunction in one of the engines was the most likely cause. This dashcam footage shows an aircraft descending, then 2 flashes which appear to be the pilots ejecting before the plane hits a building. Towards the end of the video, 2 parachutes can be seen descending, one of them brightly illuminated by the crash explosion. A video posted on Telegram near the crash site shows a pilot lying on the ground with a parachute. The pilot is alive, lying on his back and responding to questions. A person asks the pilot in Russian is all normal, to which he responds yes, yes. When asked whether his plane was shot down, the pilot says no. We don't know what happened to the second pilot, but Russia says both of the pilots ejected before impact. In other videos of the fire after impact, crackling sounds and some bangs can be heard. These could have been caused by ammunition, which was being carried by the plane during training exercises igniting. However, Russian officials say the fire was caused by a fuel spill and insist that there were no explosions of ammunition.